All students at the P level of ACCA qualification have one question that bugs them the most. Which optional paper should they choose? Should they pick up advanced financial management or advanced taxation? Should advanced audit and assurance be chosen, or should they go in for advanced performance management? Well, you have to pick two papers out of four, and the dilemma is well justified. Let me make an attempt to explain how should the choice of option paper be done. The first and foremost is which of these papers happens to be your area of interest. Naturally, if you pick up a paper which suits your interests, you will be able to study it in a more engaged manner and your chances of success will be higher. The second point that you should keep in mind is which of these papers offers me the best career growth in India or in whichever geography you are working. These points have to be considered. You should also consider what is the average pass percentage of that particular paper, and that will help you to decide which optional paper should be chosen. Let's evaluate each of the papers, the career opportunities that completing these papers is going to bring for you, and the other aspects. So when it comes to your interests, for those who have a keen interest in auditing and want to build a career in assurance profile, in the internal audit profile, for them the advanced audit and assurance AAA paper happens to be the right choice. If you are interested in taxation and tax planning and compliance is something that really interests you, you should pick up the advanced taxation paper. But please keep in mind that the advanced taxation paper in the ACCA exams basically tests you on the laws of the United Kingdom. So this is a UK advanced taxation paper. You can also pick up other variants. Say for example, you want to work in Malaysia, or you want to work in Singapore, or you want to work in Malta. You have tax variants of each of these countries. So you can make an informed decision accordingly. If futures and options and hedging and investment appraisal and all of these things interest you, then the advanced financial management exam is the right paper for you. Apart from that, those who have a keen interest in performance management, organizational restructuring, and who want to develop a career in management consulting, for them the advanced performance management paper happens to be the right choice. You have to pick up 2 out of 4. So make sure that you are aware of what career options are there for each of the 4 papers, and then you should make a choice accordingly. The second point is the scope of that particular paper in India along with the level of interest. We already discussed which paper aligns with which interest type. Now let's understand which paper has the best scope in terms of quick career growth. You might not find too many jobs connected with advanced performance management in India. Also, if you are writing the advanced taxation UK variant, your work profiles will be restricted to those companies or those consulting firms which have a UK tax clientele. So you will have to be very careful in terms of what kind of opportunities are you creating for yourself. On the other hand, a paper like advanced financial management has universal applicability and multiple career options. So does the advanced auditing paper. And the last but not the least, the pass percentages and the level of toughness of each of these exams. While I personally believe that no paper is tough, it all depends on how well you prepare for that exam. In my opinion, if you look at the global pass rates, advanced performance management and advanced audit and assurance have relatively lower pass rates, around 33 to 37%. On the other hand, advanced financial management and advanced taxation have a relatively higher pass rate. So if you want to quickly finish your ACCA journey, maybe you could take up these papers and make sure that you clear quickly, because that is also an important consideration in your ACCA journey. Now, if you need more advice and if you need expert counseling and coaching, please reach out to our expert counselors who will make sure that they give you the right advice to help you develop your career in the right direction.